Today we're checking out the ONN indoor camera from Walmart, which is kind of interesting. It's the first device that works with the Google Home app that isn't a Nest product. And the price on this has been as low as $10 here recently, normally around $25 or so. But I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. It comes with a wall adapter and pretty much everything you would need to mount it on a wall or ceiling. You can see the speakers there on the back, along with the reset button. You've also got a USB-C port for the power cable. Build quality is actually nicer than you would expect considering the price. You also just set this up using the Google Home app, just like any other Google device, which is a pretty simple step-by-step process. Once it's set up, there's a ton of different settings that you can adjust, like notifications, events, video history. It's got auto on and off, bandwidth usage, and it's pretty nice. This camera has night vision where you can choose between infrared, black and white. Plus it has low light colored night vision, which you normally see on more expensive cameras. I noticed they're calling this the wired version, which kind of makes me wonder if they're gonna have a wireless or battery version, similar to the Blink outdoor cameras, which are pretty affordable as well. It's a pretty simple design that looks somewhat similar to some of the other cameras out there. It's got the boxy design to it, but it actually rotates 180 degrees up and down, and then 360 degrees from left to right. It would be cool if they came out with a pan and tilt version, but of course that's gonna cost more. This actually has quite a few features similar to the official Google Nest products, like advanced video search using Gemini. Also has detailed event descriptions, 3 hours of included event history for free, but there's also a standard and advanced plan giving you 30 or 60 days of history. Plus you can get 10 days 24/7 continuous recording on the advanced plan. Now it is 1080p resolution, not a huge surprise considering the price, but it also has two-way talk. Plus you can even manage this through smart displays or TVs, including the ONN 4K Pro using the Google Home app. I think the picture quality is actually pretty nice with this camera, even though it's only 1080p. If you compare this to the Blink Mini 2, I think the ONN camera looks better in almost all cases. If you compare where the low light color night vision is turned on for both cameras, I feel like you see more detail with the ONN camera. It also just seems a little brighter, almost like you have the lights turned on. When just using the infrared where it's black and white, I think it's pretty comparable. I might even give the edge to the Blink camera, but again, I think you're gonna see more detail with the ONN indoor camera, especially when you zoom in. It's just easier to read text with the ONN camera versus the Blink Mini. I know one thing that is kind of annoying with Blink cameras is you have to keep hitting continue after so many seconds to continue viewing the live feed, where you don't have to worry about that with the ONN camera. I also think the Google Home app is quite a bit better than the Blink app, but of course that's going to be personal preference. From what I've seen so far, the ONN camera is probably one of the better, probably is the cheapest camera as well that you can get right now. So it's going to be pretty tough to beat the features that you get, especially considering the price.